Nongïalam ke Liang Pyrshah ke sen kongres pok ying dorbar tau ain ke jela ubaroni wiling do ke sengi baar labu ke Jingkylli ya ke Sorkar halo ke Jingbym Ïohi Jngai ha ke bayade pa ke jingsna bat maramot ke Surok Dawki Amlarem jawai ke badai ke projek ke bala pentrai da ke dahar constructions la ban ong ban ke leng ke HYC wa jantia circle senjuk kidang batch nong wa jantia ke Association of Exporters bat kinong song snong ke than ke la thau ke Joint Action Committee bat berngam ru bat ujor mukot dumai ke dahar construction sakayeng kashri na kedaw ke Jingbym la cai kam bat bansna ke Surok ke ba 100 kilometer ke la penskem da ke Sorkar pedeng hapok ke Jingbym pisa ke ba sa pulai klor ubak ling do long bai kene ke Jngai dei ke Sorkar ke ban hapshim ye ke Jingkylli bat ke Sorkar ke dei ban Ïohi Jngai bat ki kam ban pej bat ban kmi bnya ye ke jing pentrai kam dei ban hap hapok ke Jingkylli jogatnat PWD hapok ke Sorkar jela ula ong bai ke pisa paj ba la pendan kam man sna ne thau ye ke jingtei kumta dei ban pentikna ba ha bala sna ye ke Surok ke dei ban ne hadu sansnem.
Now I'm not very familiar. Who has invited tender for that work? Is it NHAI, NHDCL, or the state PWD?
PWD, state PWD. If I'm not mistaken.
Okay, then I think the onus lies with them also, because there should have been proper supervision. Where were the engineers there? You see, a contractor, if given the freedom, would like to maximize his profit. Isn't it the duty of the concerned agency, be it the state government, be it the state PWD, be it the NHAI, to ensure strict supervision? You see, so where were the engineers? When the contractor was implementing the work, there should have been, engineers from the agency to, have proper supervision. If the work was not done as per specific specification, then they should have been objected, they should have been stopped.
So, is there anything that you want to say to the concerned authorities? Whoever that be, NHAI or...
No, you see, whoever it is, when we build assets, it's public money that is being spent. So it should ensure that, public money is well spent. Now, if you construct a road, at least it should last, if not more than 5 years, at least up to 5 years. Because, for example, now I believe the PWD has stopped all repair works. It's because of the huge liabilities that the PWD is having. So you see, like I think in the last term when I was MLA, I said sometimes we are being penny wise, pound foolish. For example, now you look at some of these roads that have been constructed. You take this Shillong Northern Road, you take that bypass, okay? I think they've been constructed now for more than 5 years. No repair work has been taken up yet. Yes, initially it looks like, it's very expensive, but in the long run, it proves, very economical, because then you have free flow of traffic where you can carry more load, and then the vehicles, it works out everything, it's a win-win situation. For example, now fuel consumption will be less, wear and tear of the vehicles will be less, and then you can carry more load at a very short time. So I think the PWD should look at this. If you do not have the money to construct a road for 100 kilometers, why not construct for 20 kilometers, 25 kilometers? But at least the 20-25 kilometers is going to last minimum 5 years. You need not spend any money to repair. You see, sometimes now you think, if we adopt certain specifications, it will be expensive. Yes, initially, but in the long run, it works out, cheap. Because you need not spend any money on maintenance of the road. Now, if you don't, adopt specific specification, then after a year or two, you spend money, repairing the road, maintaining the road, and that affects flow of traffic, affects everything. So I think we have, ensure that that investment is properly, utilized, and the road lasts minimum 5 years. So for 5 years, you need not do any repair work. With that amount spent on maintenance, you construct another 20-25 kilometers. I think we should look at that.